let's do a 10 grams of baking soda in the carpet test for this lovely yellow Miele Jazz. I think that's the only major test that I have left to run with this particular machine, as far as something in the carpet anyway. And there's a special treat. Last night I actually used the Hoover Steam Vac Wide Path to water extract the carpet. So the carpet is actually extra clean. So here we have this U bag that looks practically brand new because the only thing that's in here is just a few grams of sand. That's the only thing that's in there. It hasn't been used for anything else. And I want to dedicate this test, as I probably could dedicate a lot of tests where I'm using this particular type of scale, to Mikko, that is his channel Vacuum Tests in Finland. Mikko, here's to you getting your scale as soon as possible and starting your measurement career. Okay, initial weight is 59.29 grams, and that seems to be amazingly stable. So let's go ahead and get started. This machine did very well with sand in the carpet, especially considering its bristles are very, very soft. They are not aggressive. So I wouldn't worry about this machine on delicate carpet a whole lot. I think it was a 66%. So how well will it do with baking soda? Those bristles going to be able to dig far enough down into this medium pile to get a good result. We're set to maximum here, which is smooth in Miele speak. Here we go, 10 cycles. That motor wind down just kills me. Unbelievable wind down. Have to check those bearings one of these days. Let's get the measurement board out. And move you a little closer. Okay, we started out with 59.29, and I know I saw it flip to 59.30, but we'll stick with 59.29 because the difference won't be all that much. All right, that's going to be a pretty good pickup. That really is. So let me let that stabilize for a minute. Maybe I can see if I can get a better number here. Okay, we'll do 67.2 1920. I hate to waste camera time just sitting here waiting for a number to flip. All right, let's say 67.19. Well, we'll go with that. 67.19 minus 59.29. And we are at 7.9 out of 10 grams. And if I simply just multiply it times 10, we are at 79%. So that is really great baking soda pickup out of this medium pile carpet. So that's wonderful. And I'm also sure, and I will essentially indicate as such, that I don't think this machine is a carpet shredder at all. You've recently seen the bristles in this machine, and they just don't have any indication of being harsh on the carpet whatsoever. So I'm going to claim that's going to be a clean pickup. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.